Now, he may be the next superhero on the block, but King Khan firmly takes a back seat when his queen steps onto stage. Divya only caught up with the actor, who's surprisingly intent on following an all-is-well policy. Nowadays, smart move because king he may be, but even Ravan wouldn't want two formidable Khans as his foes.
Shah Rukh Khan is usually the boss of everything he does, but his latest television commercial might be a tad different. Shah Rukh, this is your first TV commercial with your wife Gauri, so would it be safe to say you are the one being bossed around?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little different when you're working with the family. You know, you're nervous for them, and apart from wanting to get it right for yourself, you have a little more responsibility. And yes, many a times I notice on the set, you know, Ajay and Sanjay from Decor, they used to say the hero of this TVC is the furnishing and the sofa, the heroine is Gauri, and Shah Rukh is just the sidekick. So yeah, it was after 20 years in my career, it's been it was wonderful to be treated like a sidekick. Yeah, I like, you know, I think our ramp walk turned out well, our pictures in Vogue turned out well. So I hope the TVC turns out well, though this one is a bigger, much larger canvas.
Were you the one who sort of just kicked back, and did you judge her when she was on camera? Did you say, oh, is she doing it right?
I'm not very judgmental about, you know, the kind of acting I do. I don't think I should be judgmental about other people. I just do. And I'm just happy being part of entertainment. But, you know, and she's my wife. And I think she's beautiful. I think she's really nice and she's very attractive. And being on camera is not going to change that. And as is, I'm very gentle with newcomers. I'm very kind to them. And you can ask all the new actresses who worked with me.
You are back from a very long London schedule of Ravan. We'd like to know how the film is shaping up according to you.
I don't know. When you're making a film, you never know. We are putting our best foot forward. I think we've done some stuff which is hopefully not been tried in India before. Technically, yes, it's one of the most superior films that I've ever attempted. And I may not be wrong in saying that, you know, it's perhaps one of the technically most advanced films in terms of action and VFX. Finally, when it comes to it. It's a superhero film. I'm playing a good guy, the good one, G1.
There was a lot made about the dinner date you had with Aamir Khan recently outside India. So was there any agenda behind that, or was that just friends catching up?
No, actually, yeah, Aamir wanted to come in. I wanted him to come and see the shooting because we were doing this really huge stunt where cars were going to fly, which I put the picture also on Twitter. And I was really keen that he comes and sees the shoot because it was very special, and I want all good thinking people, Aamir being absolutely the top on that, to see different techniques so they can use it. You know, I told Hrithik, I told Aamir that please come and see it so you guys can utilize it or understand it, because, you know, for us, I noticed that it's become more and more about wanting to do new things in films. We had dinner together. I was very excited to discuss Ravan with him. He was very excited to discuss Pippli. I didn't see it. I'll inshallah catch up with it later now.